Hello everybody, today we make potato leek soup. The ingredient I gotta use, I got a chicken stock, I was make this. I got a guanciale, potato, leek, and garlic. Okay, now first thing I want to clean the leek. The leek, you gotta make sure they clean it good, cause the leek, it's grow on a dirt. A lot of dirt, it go inside the leaves over here. And so you know wash good. When you make a soup, everything, you a lot of sand you chew, and the teeth go, and you gotta make sure they clean. Now I got this one over here. What I do, I take this out. After you cut in half, and you open up like this, and you gotta make sure now. Let's see the leek inside. Okay. Each leaves, it got something. This one, look, it's all the dirt it got inside over here, the sand. And now we got the sink and we wash everything. Okay, the leek, it's a nice wash, really clean. And now we gotta start to chop the leek. Not too big a piece and not too small. We cut it like this. This is gotta be so beautiful, taste the soup. Cold weather, this tonight, I wanna enjoy this soup. And now we chop everything the same. I chop the first one. Okay, now we do the potato. This is gold yugon potato. It's really, really good. I was peel off before, and I was wash. And now we cut this potato in half like that. We cut it again over here. And we do 1, 2, 3 pieces like that on a cube. And now we do all the rest the same I did this one. Okay, now we start with oil, because we're going to saute the leek and the potato. And I got 2 cloves garlic, I want to put it before. And we start with oil. I put the gas on. And we leave warm up the oil before I want to start to chop this garlic. The garlic, you know, got to be chopped really thin. This garlic, it's, I do 2 pieces, 2 and 2, 4 pieces, that's all. Cut in half. After this, everything is chopped together with the leek and the potato. Now we wait the oil to be really, really hot. I want to start with the leek. Okay, now we start with the leek. Oh, the leek give already so good smell, so nice. We saute a little bit of the leek. After the leek, we do the potato. Okay, now the leek is done, and we put potato. And we saute the potato a little bit, about 3 minutes, together with the leek. After that, it's a time the chicken stock. Oh, the smell is so good. The leek, and the garlic, the oil, and the potato. It smells good. Okay, now this is ready. Now it's a time to put a chicken stock. Now make sure the chicken stock gotta be hot. You don't want to put cold in case stop the potato, the leek stop cook. And like this is a 7-cup chicken stock. And we put everything inside over here. Okay, now it gotta cook. And I'll wait when it starts to boil, we lower the flame, low, medium. Now this is my chicken stock I make. If you want to see the recipe, you click over here. Okay, now the soup almost ready, but before I want to taste for the salt, everything. Yeah, I need the salt, not too much, but I need a little salt, like this. Let's just say about a teaspoon salt. And we give a little turn. And the salt, it's enough the way I taste. Okay, we got the guanciale, and now we're going to cut it, because we want to fry a little bit. And I cut it this way. Okay, now we put it right on this dish. But I want to say, se you don't got a guanciale, you can use bacon or pancetta. Okay? And we got over here, like this. Okay. And now we go on the stove, and I want to cook this guanciale. Okay, now we do the guanciale. And we make a nice, crispy guanciale. Got this hefty go right on the top. Yeah, I want to eat this tonight. The potato leek with the guanciale and nice glass of wine. Okay, now the guanciale is done, but it's a little big. What I gotta do, I put on a paper towel, I leave it cool off, and I chop a little bit more small. And I put it right over here, like this. Okay. That's it. Okay, now I got the bread, and I want to put a little oil on the top, and I want to put it in the oven. When it's a nice crispy, I take it out, and I want to spread a little garlic on the top. Okay, now the soup is ready. It was cooked for 45 minutes. But make sure to turn the gas off. And now this is my beautiful machine over here. Okay, now we gotta blend the soup. So you don't got one of this, you can use a blender. Okay, the guanciale was a little big piece. And I want to make a small piece. And I cut it like this. And I put it right on the side. Because this you gotta go on the top of the soup. Okay, now the soup is done. And we bring it right over here. And now it's the time of the taste. Let me do my taste. Oh, look how beautiful it look. Oh, so nice. Okay. Really nice. Now, we put a little guanciale. Guanciale do pork. And we put a little bit on the top like this. And now, we put a little pecorino cheese. Se you don't got a pecorino cheese, Parmigiano cheese, any kind of cheese, mozzarella, put inside, melt beautiful. And now, little parsley in my bread toast with the garlic. Now, I like this. A soup like that. It's delicious. You can taste the leek, the guanciale, the potato, everything in the chicken stock. The best it's the chicken stock when you make yourself. I was making the other day my chicken soup, and I use the rest I got, and I use it again. Now, I want to say to everybody, salute e chin chin, and we see next recipe. Salute! Really good. Okay, so you don't got one of these, you can squeeze by hand.